You know. You have an idea where the man in your office there. And you never tell me. You just tell me.
Because I know exactly where it is.
You know the area.
Yeah, I know the area and the complex, but I don't know where the office is.
Sometimes it's slow in a cigar. Give me the location. We'll deal with this.
What do you mean, agent?
She's part of an infiltration group in the agency.
Mullins agency?
Yep.
Even when she work at the office?
That's why she come work at the office. To get information out of you.
So when you find this out, how come you never say nothing to me?
When me dog say to you? When you're inside of the madhouse?
Listen, stop calling it Madhouse. It's an institution. I can't believe what I hear.
Well, the truth is, me just think you have a right for no.
It's over a month now. I'm out of the institution. And you just tell me this?
You forget what has been happening over the last month?
How you find out that she's an agent?
Mullins switch her target.
To you?
Yeah.
So, all that whining and dining was a hoax, just to get to you. What was the assignment detail?
Well, then they feel like say me and Tony Xpressionz in a weapons dealings.
What? The coolie boy?
Yeah. Him, they in a weapons dealings, plus a whole heap of illegal activities. I know the saying, birds of a feather flock together, so I'm guilty by association.
So that simply means she did a feed the agency information for your daily movements in a Carlton.
Yes, sir.
And you find this out. And still there with her?
Well, the truth is, we're out of touch for a little while, but then buck up again.
Buck up again. You get old. You lose it. How you know, say, and a place you play you again?
Well,
Please, don't tell me, say, I love you, love her. You know, say, if you're gallus. No. You know, say, if you're so-called gallus. How you know if you pick them, sir, brother? Sandra, split personality. And Simone, she get up and gone with your picnic. You hear from them gone to foreign? And she claims that she did love you.
Simone did love me, bro. But me mess up my chance. I have to take accountability for that.
Carlton, hear what I say. No woman can claim say them love a man and keep them youth from them for so long. You know hear from them not one time since them gone away. That makes sense to you?
Marcus, I don't want to go back over that. And this we talk about.
Alright. No problem. You want to talk about it? Let's talk about it, Carter. You're there with an agent, or feed the agency daily information about your routine. You were her mark. No, actually, it started with me. Then it ended up with you. Then them try to assassinate you, and it ended up catch her. May I sum it up right?
You know what I say? Yeah, I regret saying this to you.
Carlton, you need to blow out a girl. This not sound good.
I can't do that, bro. They're gonna leave her defenseless.
Leave her defenseless home. She have an entire agency to protect her. You're in that deep, Carlton, that you're blind?
That's the thing. The agency. I think of them try how far.
You hear yourself? Why the agency would I do that, bro?
With a plan for elope and start a life together. And she tell me, say, when you're an agent at that level, you can't just leave because you have agency secrets. So then we'll eliminate you if anything.
Carlton, you think Mullins would eliminate when I'm super agent?
Well, me not put it past it.
You don't believe that. Me know say you don't believe that. You still are withhold something from me. Something you not tell me. What is it?
Brother, a situation here, layered bad. It's like an onion. It's really a whole heap for offload, brother.
Me there, I feel. Talk to me.